In this video, we are unboxing the small IP display. This will be a very similar unboxing whether you are unboxing a small, large, or extra large IP display. Here is the wall bracket that it comes with. Now, these plastic pieces can be disposed of. They ship with the wall bracket as to not damage your IP speaker. We will remove this screw and this screw from the side of the speaker. When you open this up, you'll see the hardware is located right here. The diagram for the pinout corresponds. This is where you plug in your Ethernet cable, plug in your sound reinforcement, and that is all located if you view the pinout here.